Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today. I've got some of the J-Diction Resincrete. I've got my scale. And I've got this adorable little skeleton mold. And it's actually a Wilton's baking mold. I'm not sure how, but it is. So I'm going to mix up some of the Resincrete, and it's going to really seem simple. But I'm hoping after these set for a while, because they've got to really set up and cure before you pop them out. These little bones right here. That being said, I'm just hoping to put them in like a Halloween bowl or dish. Maybe 1 or 2 sets of them. Wouldn't that be cute? Just little Halloween bones. That'd be cute. Alright, so let's get with it. Hey, now that I made a complete mess, let's see. So, I did half of 100. It's 100 grams powder to 30 grams water. So I'm just doing half of that. 50 grams powder to 15 grams. Did I say pounds? Grams. Oh yeah, now go out where I can't read you at all. That was stupid. Alright, 68. So 18 instead of 15. Alright, that's a little better consistency. Lordy, what a mess. I'd forgotten how messy this is. And of course, my cup doesn't have a spout. Alright. Pour the head. I'm going to pour all of the larger cavities first. Didn't quite have enough for the last foot. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to start by taking the bigger pieces out, if I can. Okay, there is his face. Okay, here's his rib cage. Okay, his pelvis. His hands. Sorry, I wasn't showing them to you, was I? There's 2 feet. I'm pushing up from the bottom to try to help them come out without disturbing those bones too much. I am so sorry. I'll show you when they're all out. Okay, now we got one. Oh my goodness, we got one. Got two. Now these are longer. Yay, I got all out. I don't know which is worse, to make a mess on your mat or leave the mess on your mold. Alright, I am going to pour another set because I don't think that's enough bones for what I'm wanting. Oh, that works much better. Now, I'm only going to do the skull. Okay, sorry about having to do it off camera. I had to hold it where I could actually look at it. And I can see in the teeth I still missed a few spots. But it's really looking cute. How would that be on your dining room table with a little Halloween display? That would be so cute. Alright, like I said, really simple, I know. Resincrete in a skeleton mold. Alright, but it worked. Like I said, all I did was put a coat of white gesso, and that was really just to kind of seal everything together a little bit. And then I painted the eyes and the nose and the teeth and the mouth with an acrylic paint pen. This was one of those acrylic paint markers. Just came from Timu. The Guagna. Alright. The mold was from Cindy. Oh, my box clothes was a... Never mind. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.